6 to the power x is equal to 18. What is the power of x? First of all, 6 to the power x is equal to 6 times 3. Now log 6 to the power x is equal to log of 6 times 3. Then log 6 to the power x is equal to log 6 plus log 3. Then divided by log 6 divided by log 6. Log 6 will be cancelled. X is equal to log 6 divided by log 6 plus log 3 divided by log 3. Log 6 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1 plus log 3 log 3. Log 3 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1. This is the value of x. Answer.
How to simplify 8 power 10 plus 8 power 10 is equal to what? At first, we take common 8 power 10. So 8 power 10 is out of the bracket. 8 power 10 divided by 8 power 10, it is 1 plus 8 power 10 divided by 8 power 10, that is 1. So 8 power 10 is same as 2 power 3 bracket 10, that is 8 power 10 times 1 plus 1, that is 2. Here we can explanation shows that a power m bracket n is equal to a power mn. So we can write here 2 power 3 times 10, that is 30. 2 power 30 times 2. 2 is same as 2 power 1. Now, according to these rules, that a power m dot a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we write here 2 power 30 2, this is same base 30 plus 1. So 2 to the power 31. This is the final answer.